Are you suffering from pain within the shoulder? So every time you bench press, you do a press up, you do a burpees, or you do wall balls. Is this causing you a sharp pain in here? You might have something called shoulder tendinopathy. So the rotator cuff consists of 4 muscles. You've got your subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and your teres minor. All these muscles work intricately and they co-contract to provide the best movement of the joint. So here are some exercises to help with your shoulder pain. This one is a Swiss ball push. You're gonna come on, facing on. As hard as you can, put as much pressure into the ball as you can. And all you can do is swell the A, B, C as you do it. Getting loads of tension within that shoulder. For those struggling with any shoulder tendinopathies, pain in pec minor, or just general shoulder stiffness, this is a really good activator to turn on all those rotator cuff muscles. So this one, testing the dynamic stability of the shoulder. So all we're going to do is we're going to tap fast and hard into the shoulder. So every time we are pushing and we are tapping, our shoulder's working really hard to stabilise itself. This is working on our overhead ability. Not only is it working our shoulder, but also our upper thoracic. So all we're going to do is, nice and stable, band apart, create some tension. All we're going to do is extend like that. Again, for those struggling with their shoulder, struggling to get into this range of movement, the band really helps to create a better movement for the shoulder. Again, nice and straight, nice and strong. This is upside down kettlebell press. Why is this good? Because it's challenging the dynamic stability of the shoulder. It's harder to balance because it's wobbly and shaky, so it forces our shoulder to react dynamically. So we're going to push up nice and strong. As such. So this exercise works on the external rotation of the shoulder. So we're going to come up, turn and press up and back down nice and slow, eccentrically. Then you're going to come up and press up. Again, those suffering with any sort of shoulder injuries, rotator cuff tendinopathies or impingement, really good exercise to get that shoulder moving again. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. If you found that video informational, please like and subscribe. Also, if there's any questions or advice you guys might need, leave it in the comments below so I can answer that for you in the next video. Again, share this to a friend if you think it's helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon.